Hello, and welcome to another quick update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has reacted now to this trend line, and we have rallied again to the, you could say, Sunday high, the intraday high or Sunday high, depending on your time zone. It's not intraday anymore. Yeah, I just want to take a look here at the shorter time frame. I mean, overall, the structure has not yet confirmed, let's say, a breakdown. The market broke out of this trend channel, which we highlighted here as potential bullish flag or corrective price channel, and then rallied and retested. And it is entirely possible that we're now going to form one more upside extension. At least this would be likely as long as we stay above this swing low here that formed at around $107,300. So what kind of resistance levels do we have? If the market really formed a low here in maybe even a fourth wave on Friday, then we could be in a fifth wave to the upside now. Question is, where could it take us? If we get a direct move up and this last swing low remains intact, then it will be this area that is relevant for a wave 5. So we can measure the length of waves 1 to 3. We go to the low of the wave 4. If this is a wave 4, it's a bit difficult to say. And I would say the focus could then shift to this area here. I'm going to add the 38.2 fib level as well. And then this would be the standard target area between 110,474 and $113,017. This would be the standard target zone. But first of all, the market must break above this $109,000 level and the upper boundary line of the larger price channel. So there is a lot of resistance along the way. If we can get the price above the larger degree price channel here, then prices in the region 110.4K or a little higher will be unlocked. Yeah. The risk is that this is just a high B wave. That would be the short-term bearish count. In this scenario, if the market breaks below that last swing low here at around 107,300, the focus can shift to that orange support region in either a reset of the wave 4 that might have actually bottomed already on Friday, or a larger A wave. And then we will see further downside like this, like A, B, C in wave A. Then we can get a B wave rally before we go down in wave C. But for now, there is no sign that a top has formed anyway. And this retest and potential move up here indicates that we want to probably test the 109K level and potentially even push a little bit higher. Yeah. So bottom line is still no sign of a top, and we remain in a broader sideways range here. As you can see, the next resistances are clear around the 109K level area, and above that, this is the blue zone that will become relevant over the coming sessions. The nearest support is obviously the last swing low here. I mentioned it already, around 107,300. Below that level, it's going to be this support zone between 103,930 and 106,230. It does look as if a top is not yet in. Therefore, I wouldn't be surprised by maybe another high, a little further upside, especially after the successful retest of the upper boundary line of the trend channel. There is really not much more to say. Please note the next resistance is not only the trend line, but also the previous swing high from the 16th of June. So there could be some resistance. Yeah, not much more to say. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure to follow us on X for additional updates, setups, and infos that we don't share on YouTube necessarily. So check it out. The link is in the video description. I also have linked it in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.